Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, continuing my experiments with the new 12-volt controller. On the rail, the outside rail, I've got the Lionel 2036 with Magnatraction. This and the 2025 are the heaviest locomotives I have. So on the outside rail with 11 Lionel cars, let's see how this runs. So we'll apply power. It's in neutral, as you see. Power off. Reverse, power on, neutral, power off, and on, forward. All right, so there's 6.4 volts. So that's a nice running speed. So let's take this up. There's 7.2 volts. Take it up. There's 8 volts. Wow, what a difference. As you see, that's right on, dead on 8 volts right there. So I can't take this much faster than this or it's going to derail. 8.4 volts. I'm not going to have this thing fall off this table, that's for sure. When it gets out on the straight, I'll give it a blast of power. All right, let's crank this up. Wow. So as you see, this thing can really accelerate really quickly. So about 8 volts is as fast as I'm going to run it. Much faster than that, it's going to derail on the curve, no doubt. So as you see, this is running just absolutely splendidly. That is 7.95 volts, so say 8 volts. There's 8.2 volts. As you see, that is more than fast enough. This is a big, heavy locomotive. I do not want to derail it. All right, let's see how slow we can run it. 5.5 volts, 4.4 volts. Wow, that is actually quite incredible. All right, take it up. There's dead on 5 volts. That's really amazing. Take it a bit faster. Okay, there's 5.7 volts. There's right on 6 volts, right there. So as you see, this controller works. There's no doubt about that. All right, let's take it back up to 7 volts. All right, there's 7 volts right there. Good, smooth, constant speed all the way around the rail. With 5 volts to spare. Like I said, you cannot crank this all the way up with this 2036. All right, a bit faster. All right, there's 8 volts. So that's about as fast as I really want to run this. I don't want to run the risk of this thing tumbling off the layout. And that is more than fast enough. This is a heavy locomotive, as you see. So no doubt, this controller works. All right, we'll slow it down. Stop it there. Power on, neutral. Power off, reverse. Neutral. And forward. So So obviously this controller is working. There's no doubt about that. So this thing will absolutely fly on this controller. It's actually quite amazing. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. There's neutral again, as you see. Neutral and forward. So the Marks works, the Lionel works. This works absolutely splendidly. I can go on testing, but I have no doubt this is going to work. This is more than enough power to run this locomotive. And it works with mechanical E-units and it works with electronic E-units. So I've had no problems of any kind with any locomotive at all. This controller works. So I'm seriously considering buying 3 more of these and actually converting the entire layout to DC. It makes a tremendous difference in the control you have over the locomotive and also how they run. They just physically run better on DC than they ever run on AC. They're smoother, they're quieter, much better speed control, really quick reaction time. These things will accelerate incredibly quickly. So in any case, I just want to do a follow-up on this 12-volt 5-amp power adapter. It works. As you see, it's really simple, it's really inexpensive. $22.95 with free shipping from Amazon. Like I said, if you don't mind waiting for 2 months, you can get it from China for $10. So in any case, we will see how this goes, but so far I haven't had a single glitch of any kind running this. Like I said, it comes with a barrel plug. I just chopped the barrel plug off and then spliced it into a magnetic lock-on. Has a standard AC cord. As you see, it has flanges for mounting it to the layout. I've just got it stuck to the top of this transformer right now with a couple of sticky tabs just to keep it from moving around. But it works. There's absolutely no doubt about this. This works absolutely splendidly with an incredible amount of power, especially on the 2036 and the 2025. These are big, heavy locomotives. And yet this thing will just literally fly. You know, at 8 volts, I cannot take this up to full output. It'll come flying off this layout table. I definitely do not want to derail it. But there's right on 8 volts. We have 12.5 volts, almost 13 volts available. And 5 amps. So you see that's running just absolutely perfectly, as you can see. And the control of the speed is just absolutely incredible. That's 4.6 volts. So in any case, this works. No doubt about that. So I'll probably be doing a couple more experiments, but I have no doubt this is going to work absolutely just splendidly for running the trains. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.